y'all? It's your girl, the kids, and I'm back again with another video. We're a little up close and personal, and we're doing it different for this video. Instead of coming on with the voiceovers, I'm coming in on the screen, as you can see. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this unit from Beauty Forever Hair. As you already seen in the thumbnail in the beginning of this video, the slayage. I mean, let's get into it. This is one of my favorite texture units. So, popping up on the screen now, the unboxing of the unit and how it came to me. All the goodies and stuff that came inside of my pack. This unit that I am going to be rocking is Beauty Forever's Kinky Straight 13x4 Lace Frontal Wig. This unit is 100% human hair. It is in a kinky straight texture, like I just stated. And it does come with baby hairs. That's actually really different, which I love. So you don't have to really fight to get the baby hairs and all of that information. It already comes with it. It is 150% density, and the length that I'm gonna be rocking is 24 inches. I know I say this a lot, but it's really what it is. I'm a part of Struggle Braiding University, so pretty much your girl can't braid as nicely as I would like. So most of the majority of my installs are done just like this, with my hair slicked back into a ponytail, just because it's really easy, really quick for the YouTube videos. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the install. I did forget to mention that with the baby hairs that's on this unit, they do come in like a 4C texture. If you already can't tell, previously this is the kinky straight texture, and it does mimic like a 4C hair blown out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plop this on my head real quick so you can see how easy it is to go ahead and put on. Alright, now this unit is a little snug on me, so that's why you saw me struggling a little bit. I mean, look, get into the volume. A lot of volume. Alright, it comes with this extra lace. I'm just gonna cut a little bit of this off really quick. Alright, so boom, this is what it is looking like. As you can see, this is the edges that I was previously talking about. We're gonna get up close and personal on all of that. Wig is really snug. Am I gonna wear it without any glue and holding spray? No, just because I want to go ahead and lay it down. But it's really just up to you and what you would prefer. All right, and this is just going to be a little up close and personal. These are the baby hairs on the unit. Now, I'm not really a big fan of my baby hairs being right here directly in the middle, so I am gonna go ahead and once I part this down the middle, I am going to push those back. However, right here on the side, they do give you that versatility that you can go ahead and like swoop them down and get them in formation. So I really like that. That way you don't have to worry about like trying to cut all this extra hair and stuff like that on the unit if you don't have to. So I'm gonna handle that. I'm gonna show you exactly how I go ahead and get this unit in formation, and kind of how we play with these baby hairs a little bit, just to figure out like how exactly I want to rock them.
Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the boat, but if you so for real, you could get wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out here with me. We could be for my loving. Show me devotion I could trust in. Just don't rush, baby. Ignite my desire for your loving. Slow burn till time combustion. Baby, I'ma need an R&B love from the 90s. Tell me how you would die without me. Spin, move in the rain, drop to your knees. Passion on Venus, never kill the flame, keep that fire lit. Show me why you deserve it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me, maybe 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out here with me. We could be always heat, always, 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 always. Yeah.
All right, y'all, as you can see, this is going to be the completed look. Yes, let's get up close and personal with these baby hairs. I'm telling y'all, this right here, the Lottie Body Foamy Mousse, it's not sponsored, but if I could buy cases of these and just have them in my house, it's the perfect setting spray. Sorry, that's my chair, y'all. I just added a little bit of powder, well, a lot more than a little bit of powder, just to open up the parting area right there so that I didn't have to go in and pluck. But y'all, let's get into the baby hairs. They are definitely looking great, looking good. It did take me a lot longer than I anticipated to go ahead and straighten the hair, but this hair is extra thick. And with it already being kinky straight hair, y'all already know how that goes. I'm just gonna spin around really quick so y'all can see the back. This hair is long on me. I am 5 feet tall and it comes right above my butt area. Though, I mean, look at stiff wear. Okay? Look at the quality. Like, it is definitely giving. I love it. It's definitely giving natural hair goals. If I were to grow my natural hair out, this is definitely how long I would hope it would be. Y'all, I love this. I might have to keep this one for myself. Cause this one right here, this is it. Beauty Forever, y'all did that. Y'all definitely did that. But y'all already know how I do. I'm gonna put all of the information down in the description box below. If there's a coupon code, that will be down below as well. Ooh, the hair again stuck to my lip gloss. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.